Good morning student. In our first lesson, local time and standard time, today we are going to study about the local time. Dear student, as soon as the sun starts moving up in the sky, after sunrise, the length of our shadow reduces. Normally, the length of the shadow is shortest at the noon. As the sun moves towards the horizon in the afternoon, the length of our shadow increases again by evening. The noon time is the same at any given longitude across the earth. Is that from the north pole to the south pole. The time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as a local time. What is the local time? The time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as the local time. In the region lying between the polar circle and the poles, the daytime could be more than 24 hours depending upon the seasons. As a result, understanding the timing of sunrise, noon, sunset and midnight at these places become important. At the poles, the daytime and the duration of the day last around the 6 months. To tell the time of sunrise or sunset at the poles, one has to consider the date. When the sun rises on a specific day, it moves around the horizon and therefore, here the length of the shadow cannot be considered for telling the noon time. Different longitude have different timing for sunrise, noon and sunset. It means the different places have the different timing at the sunrise, noon and the sunset. When it is noon at the Mumbai, it will be the same at Kolkata because Kolkata lie to the east of Mumbai. It will be already be afternoon in Kolkata. The local time of a place on the earth's surface is determined with reference to its noon time. This implies that places lying on the same longitude have the same local time. There is no difficulty when local time is used for a small area. When people living in a larger area across different longitude have to interact with each other, then using the local time could lead to the chaos and confusion. In such case, using the local time is not a convenient.